National news. Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji has founded the stone of 9 national highways, which also include the 2 bridges. One, the important thing is the Udaipur to Agartala road, the Udaipur of the Tripura only, and the Feni bridge. The Feni river is in the southeastern part of the Bangladesh and the Tripura. So it connects the subroom where the scarcity of the water is more. There is a water, but more amount of iron is present, so it is not viable to drinking purpose. And the bridge will provide the Feni river water to the subroom peoples, and they will get the water also, and the transportation system will be there. And it also connect to the Ramgarh in the Bangladesh. It will help in the trade purpose even. International news. Pink pant shoot. It is an astonishing hashtag which have been all over in the social media by the American Hollywood stars and the idols. One woman actress started a post with the pink pant shoot, and this followed by the other actress. And as we knew, the color has a great history. It means a lot. It is now for the sign for the American presidential election of the November 2020. It is the praising that the women are the strongest, they are in the majority in the country, they have the right, they have the power to decide the result of these elections. So that's why they are promoting and empowering women to vote more and more in these elections, so that they can show the power of the woman is also at its peak. And many celebrities followed this and give the hashtag, and it became the political statement in the 2020 of power of pink pant suit. Defense news. BECA, the deal between the United States of America and India before the US presidential election of November 2020. It is going to change the whole phase of the missile and bring the deadliest missile the India ever had. The External Affairs Mike Pompeo of the United States of America clearly slams in the talk with the India to the Chinese Communist Party. Taiwan is thankful by purchasing the upgraded weapons and the jets from the United States of America, and told that, give the statement that it will boost their confidence and the power in the military aspects. Sports news. Ronaldo says, let's wait and see on the clash with Messi. So the fan says it founding the doubtful on the side of the Cristiano Ronaldo. The rumor have been there. ICC says the final date are going to be announced very soon of the World Test Championship, in which India lose the spot of first to the Australia. And Mandeep Singh dedicated his half century to his beloved father. And Suryakumar Yadav have been not the part of the any 3 squads from the tour of India to the Australia. And South Africa is going to host in 2020 to 2021 the Pakistan, England and India in their home season. Thank you.